If you're searching for a digital marketing tutorial for beginners, stop scrolling. In the next 3 minutes, I'll explain digital marketing step by step. Simple, practical, and beginner-friendly. Digital marketing is one of the most in-demand skills right now. Whether to grow a business, build a brand, or freelance. This tutorial will give you a clear roadmap. No confusion, no technical jargon. Let's start with the basics. Digital marketing simply means promoting products or services online. Instead of newspapers or billboards, digital marketing uses social media. It also uses search engines like Google, websites, and email. If you've searched, "What is digital marketing?" this is it. Marketing done digitally to reach the right audience. Here are the most important types of digital marketing to know. Search engine optimization. SEO helps your content rank. Social media marketing uses platforms to grow an audience. Content marketing creates valuable content that solves problems. Email marketing builds a list and sends useful information. You don't need to master everything, just understand how they work. Here's the digital marketing process in simple terms. Get attention, build trust, convert into sales. First, people discover you through content or ads. Then, you give value and build trust. Finally, they buy from you. That's digital marketing explained simply. If you're wondering how to start digital marketing, do this. Pick one platform, learn one skill, SEO or social media. Create content consistently. Focus on solving problems. You don't need money to start, just consistency and patience. That's your digital marketing tutorial for beginners. Remember, digital marketing is about connecting with people. Offer them real value, and the results will follow. Keep learning, keep creating, and keep growing. The digital world is vast, and opportunities are endless. Embrace the journey, and you'll find your path to success. If you found this helpful, like the video. Subscribe for more digital marketing tutorials. Good luck, and happy marketing!